Hi, my name is Melissa Godfrey, and I'm going to go over some low-tech objects that I found around my house that we use to support ourselves as well as some furry friends that live in our house as well. The first idea is tongs. I actually do really use these tongs, the long tongs, to reach things in my kitchen. So this would be the AT category of aids for daily living. So our cabinets are pretty high up and I'm pretty short, so these are very helpful when I need to get something that's pretty high safely. We also have a window that is not functioning currently in our house. It doesn't stay up, so if we want some fresh air, we actually have used a spoon to help us. So we use a spoon, we prop it right there, and the fresh air can come in. So that also is aids for daily living. It's nice to get some fresh air. Something else that we have actually created in our house for our dog is a bell for the dog door. So we used something similar to this, which is a pipe cleaner and some bells, and we just tied it on the end of the door and left it outside. And that way, when our dog is done playing outside or wants to come in, he can just ring the bell and we can hear it. So that's assistive technology for communication. It was pretty interesting thinking about different tools that we could easily adapt in another way to use for supports. So this was a pretty cool activity to look at all the different assistive technology tools and resources that we're already using in our homes. Thanks for watching.